Listen, before you sign for that car, make sure you understand this part properly. The difference between a maintenance plan and a service plan, because they are not the same thing. Let's start with a service plan. This one only covers the basic scheduled services. Think oil changes, filters, spark plugs, basically routine stuff your car needs to keep running smoothly. If something breaks or gets damaged, that part is on you. Now, a maintenance plan. That's the big boss. This one covers literally everything in a service plan, plus wear and tear items. That includes brakes, wiper blades, shocks, clutch, batteries, all the things that eventually get worn out as you drive, right? If it's part of keeping the car roadworthy, the maintenance plan usually takes care of it. So in simple terms, service plan, routine checkups. Maintenance plan, routine checkups, plus fixing things when they wear out. If you are someone who drives a lot or you want peace of mind with no surprise costs, maintenance plan is your girl. But if you are just looking for basic scheduled services, service plan is enough. Before you buy that car, always ask, does it come with a service plan or a maintenance plan? Trust me, it saves you drama and money later. It's Ntabi, the car sales lady, helping you understand your car before it becomes your headache. And let me know if you want me to break down warranties next.